Losing a pet is never easy. It's like losing a member of the family. As your loyal companion ages, it's important to recognize the signs that their time with us might be coming to an end. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 signs that your dog might be nearing the end of their life. Knowledge is power, and understanding these signs can help you make the best decisions for your furry friend in their final days. We'll go through each sign, discuss what it means, and how you can provide comfort and care during this difficult time. Trust your gut, and if you notice any significant changes, don't hesitate to reach out to your veterinarian. Dogs love their food, right? They usually can't wait to dig into their meals, wagging their tails in excitement. So when a dog starts refusing food, it's a big red flag. It can be quite alarming for any pet owner to see their furry friend turn away from their favorite meal. Loss of appetite can be a sign of many things, from a simple upset stomach to something more serious. It could indicate an underlying health issue that needs attention. In older dogs, it can be a sign that their body is starting to shut down. Age-related issues can often lead to a decreased interest in food. You might be tempted to tempt them with treats or special foods, and that's okay to try. But don't force it. Forcing food can sometimes make the situation worse. Just make sure they have access to fresh water at all times. Hydration is crucial, especially if they're not eating much. Monitor the situation closely. How long has it been since they ate a full meal? Are they losing weight? Keep track of their eating habits and any changes. Are there any other changes in their behavior? Lethargy, unusual tiredness, or other signs of discomfort can be important clues. If your dog is losing weight rapidly or seems weak and lethargic, get them to the vet as soon as possible. Early intervention can make a big difference. They might need supportive care, like fluids or appetite stimulants, to help them through this time. Veterinary care can provide the necessary support. Even if they're not eating much, keep offering them small amounts of food and water throughout the day. Consistent, gentle encouragement can sometimes help them regain their appetite. Dogs love to play, but as they get older, it's natural for them to slow down. There's a difference between slowing down and extreme fatigue. If your dog is constantly lethargic, lacking energy even for short walks or playtime, it could be a sign that something is wrong. This extreme fatigue can be a sign of many things, from pain and discomfort to underlying health issues. In older dogs, it can also be a sign that their body is simply wearing down. If you notice a sudden and drastic change in your dog's energy levels, it's crucial to pay attention. If your dog is constantly lethargic, especially if it's accompanied by other symptoms like loss of appetite or difficulty breathing, consult with your veterinarian. They can help determine the underlying cause and recommend the best course of action. When a dog starts having regular accidents in the house, it's a cause for concern. This can be distressing for both the dog and the owner. This loss of bladder or bowel control, known as incontinence, can be a sign of several underlying health issues. It's important to observe any other symptoms your dog might be showing. In older dogs, incontinence can be a sign of weakening muscles, hormonal imbalances, or even cognitive decline. These issues can significantly affect their quality of life. It's important to remember that incontinence is not a normal part of aging. It often indicates that something is wrong and needs to be addressed. If you notice your dog having accidents, don't scold them or get angry. They are likely feeling confused and upset about it too. They're not doing it on purpose. Your understanding and calm demeanor can help them feel more secure. Take them to the vet for a checkup. Early diagnosis can make a big difference in managing the condition. The vet can determine the underlying cause of the incontinence and recommend the best course of treatment. This might include tests and a thorough examination. This might involve medication, dietary changes, or even surgery in some cases. Each dog's treatment plan will be unique to their specific needs. In the meantime, use absorbent pads or diapers, create a designated potty area closer to their resting spot, and take them out for frequent potty breaks. These steps can help manage the situation better. Patience and understanding are key. Your dog relies on you for comfort and reassurance during this challenging time. Your furry friend is going through a tough time, and they need your love and support more than ever. Show them that you are there for them. Consult with your veterinarian for the best course of action. They can provide guidance and support to help you and your dog navigate this condition. Breathing is something we often take for granted, but for our furry friends, Especially as they get older, breathing can become a struggle. Labored breathing, or dyspnea, can manifest in different ways. You might notice your dog taking rapid, shallow breaths, their chest heaving with each inhale and exhale. This respiratory distress can be caused by a variety of factors, from heart disease and lung problems to fluid buildup in the chest or even tumors. If you notice your dog struggling to breathe, it's crucial to remain calm. Panic will only worsen their anxiety. Speak to them in a soothing voice, offer them a comfortable place to rest, and immediately contact your veterinarian or an emergency animal hospital. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your dog's prognosis. The vet can assess their condition, provide oxygen therapy if needed, and determine the underlying cause of their respiratory distress. Stay strong for them. Your love and support can provide comfort during this difficult time. Dogs are social creatures, naturally inclined to form bonds and connections. They thrive on interaction, whether it's with their human family, other dogs, or even the friendly mailman who visits daily. So when a dog starts to withdraw, to isolate themselves from the world they once loved, it's a clear sign that something is wrong and needs attention. This withdrawal can manifest in different ways, each indicating a shift in their emotional or physical state. They might spend more time alone in another room, avoiding their usual cuddle sessions and the company they once enjoyed. They might lose interest in their favorite toys, walks, or even treats that used to excite them. Withdrawal is often a way for dogs to cope with pain, discomfort, or fear, signaling that they need help. If you notice your dog withdrawing, approach them with gentleness and understanding, showing them that you care. Don't force interaction or try to coax them out of their hiding spot, as this can increase their stress. Instead, create a safe and comfortable space for them, where they can rest undisturbed and feel secure. Talk to them in a soothing voice, offering words of comfort and reassurance, letting them know they are not alone. Let them know that you're there for them, even if they don't want to engage. Your presence can be very comforting. Consult with your veterinarian. Withdrawal can be a symptom of various underlying health issues, and early diagnosis and treatment can make a world of difference in their recovery and well-being. If you notice any of these signs in your dog, consult with your veterinarian to ensure your pet's comfort and well-being. Remember, your love and care can make a big difference in their final days. Seeing your best friend going through this is one of the hardest things you'll ever face. Cherish these final moments, however difficult they may be. Thank you for watching, and take care of your furry friends.